Welcome to Scarlett House of Languages. So today we are going to do Leçon 0 of Apprenons le Français niveau 4. Leçon 0. La culture et la civilisation de la France. The culture and the civilization of the France. La France est bornée au nord. The France is bordered in the north par la Manche, by the Manche. Manche is the English Channel. Et la mer du Nord and the Sea of North. Au sud par la mer Méditerranée, in the south by the Mediterranean Sea. Et à l'ouest and in the west par l'océan Atlantique, by the Atlantic Ocean. In this, north is north direction. North is north direction. Sud is south direction. L'ouest is the west direction. La France est entourée de 6 pays. France is surrounded by, entourée de means surrounded by 6 pays, 6 countries. La Belgique means Belgium. Le Luxembourg means Luxembourg. L'Allemagne, the Germany. La Suisse, the Switzerland. L'Italie, the Italy. Et l'Espagne, Spain. So France is surrounded by these 6 countries. Les 5 montagnes massifs sont les Alpes, les Pyrénées, le Jura, les Vosges, les Massifs centrales. So these are the 5 massive mountains. So you just need to learn any 3. Les 5 fleuves importants sont, the 5 important rivers are la Seine, la Loire, la Garonne, le Rhône, et le Rhin. Again, you just need to learn any 3. La France a, the France has, plus ou moins, more or less, la forme géométrique d'un hexagone, the shape of the hexagon. Means the shape of the map of France is like that of the shape of hexagon. This. Next. Paris, capitale de la France, capital of the France. Et aussi appelée, is also called la ville lumière. La ville lumière means city of lights. Paris, the capital of France, is also called the City of Lights. Because c'est un grand centre artistique et intellectuel, because this is a big artistic and intellectual center of France. That's why the capital of France, which is Paris, is also called La Ville Lumière, the City of Lights. Les villes importantes sont, les villes means the cities. Les villes importantes, the important cities, are Paris means Paris, Marseille, Lyon, Lille, Toulouse, Bordeaux, and Nice. These are some important cities of France. Next, l'emblème national. L'emblème national means national emblem. So national emblem of France is, et le drapeau français is the French flag. Here drapeau means flag. Le drapeau français, the French flag. Which has les couleurs, the colors bleu, blanc, et rouge. Means the national emblem of France is the French flag, which has these 3 colors, bleu, blanc, rouge, blue, white, and red color. I hope this is clear. Please revise all these. Next is, on peut voir, we can see. Voir means to see. This is irregular verb. Here this per is conjugation of pouvoir verb, which means to can. On peut voir, we can see. Le buste de Marianne, the statue of Marianne, this statue. Le buste de Marianne, sur des pièces et des timbres. Timbre means stamps. Means we can see the statue of Marianne on the coins and on the stamps. Elle représente, she represents, or this statue, it represents la République, the Republic, et la Liberté, and the liberty. Next, tout le monde, everyone or everybody. Reconnaît means knows. Everybody knows la Tour Eiffel, the Eiffel Tower. C'est l'ingénieur français, that's the French engineer, Monsieur Gustave Eiffel, Mr. Gustave Eiffel, qui a construit. Qui a construit means who constructed. La Tour Eiffel, the Eiffel Tower. Means everybody knows the Eiffel Tower, and this is the French engineer Monsieur Gustave Eiffel who constructed the Eiffel Tower. Here you need to learn the name of the French engineer who made the Eiffel Tower. Basically, he designed the plan, he designed the map of Eiffel Tower. Next, l'euro. L'euro est la monnaie unique European. Means euro is the currency of unique European Union. Euro is the currency of European Union. Means euro is the currency of all those countries which are part of European Union. Next, des monuments importants en France sont, the important monuments in France are le Musée du Louvre, Louvre Museum where there is Mona Lisa, the painting of Mona Lisa. Notre Dame de Paris, the Church of Notre Dame, or we can say the Cathedral of Notre Dame. Les Arènes d'Art means this is a kind of amphitheater. Le Panthéon, this is a kind of defense museum. Le Château de Versailles, Château de Versailles means the Palace of Versailles, or we can say the Castle of Versailles. La viticulture means the wine culture. Et une des grandes richesses de la France is one of the big richnesses of the France. Quelques vins renommés. Quelques means some wines. Renommé means renowned. Some renowned wines are le Champagne, le Bourgogne, le Bordeaux, et le Beaujolais. Please learn the spellings very carefully. Les Français sont experts dans la fabrication des fromages. The French people, they are expert in the making of cheese. Les plus connus sont, the most famous are le Brie, le Camembert, le Gruyère, et le Roquefort. Again, please learn the names and the spellings very carefully. Next, les parfumeurs français. Parfumeur means those brands, those people who deal in perfumes. So les parfumeurs français reputés means reputed. So the famous, or we can say reputed French perfumers in the entire world, dans le monde entier. Monde means world, entier means entire. In the entire world, are Chanel, Guerlain, Lama, and Patou. L'industrie automobile en France, automobile industry in France, joue un rôle important, plays a very important role. Les petites voitures françaises fameuses. Some famous small French cars are Citroën, Peugeot, and Renault. La France est connue. The France is famous pour l'industrie aérospatiale, for the aerospace industry, avec les avions, with the planes, de la marque of the brand Airbus. Et la fusée Ariane. Fusée means rocket. Ariane, rocket. Ariane is a kind of space vehicle which they use to launch their rockets. Les trains français sont très rapides. The French trains are very rapid, or we can say very fast. Le plus rapide, the fastest. The train français of the French trains is le TGV. TGV means train à grande vitesse. Grande vitesse means the great speed. Okay, the train at the great speed. Le TGV. This is the most famous train. You can Google the images. Paris est la capitale. Paris is the capital de la haute couture, of the high fashion or the designer brands. Quelques couturiers, some designers, très connus, very famous, are Chanel, Dior, Cardin, et Yves Saint Laurent. That's all in this video. If you want to continue, please check the next video, next part. Part 2 of Lesson 0 of Apprenons le Français niveau 4. Stay tuned and subscribe for more such videos. Au revoir.